Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel Quick Guide, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can change your password in your Dropbox. All you have to do is, first of all, just go on into your Dropbox account from here, and after going on the Dropbox account, all you need to do is go on to your profile account. From there, click on settings. After you are on your settings, from here go on to the security options right here. After going on to security, you can see in the password section a set a password option. To change the password, simply click on set a password, and now you'll be able to reset your password. As you can see here, you need to submit your email or how you can reset your password as well. If you don't know the whole process, simply you can also use this button, how to reset your passwords, as help. All you have to do is submit your email. After you have submitted your email, and you can see that a pop-up appear if a Dropbox account exists for your current email, and email for further instruction will be sent into your email. So now all you have to do is check on into your email and just confirm the action of you wanting to reset your password, and now you'll be able to reset your password in your Dropbox. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review. And for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.